Welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Woodshop. My name's Chris.
And I'm Michael.
And today we're here for
Rock Talk!
So Michael, I've been hearing all about this Druzy stuff. Druzy this, Druzy that. Tell me, what is Druzy and where does it come from?
Well, Chris, Druzy's pretty much just a pretty rock. But on a bigger scope, I'm more interested in what I can do with Druzy. You know, why? Why Druzy?
Well, today we're going to answer all those questions and more. To add a little bonus, we're going to be cracking open some of these thunder eggs.
With this.
But first, let's go to our resident expert, Danny, in the bead bunker. Danny? Danny!
Oh yeah, hey guys. So let's talk about druzy, or druzys. Now, a druzy gets its name from the word druse, which refers to tiny crystals that forms on a rock's surface. Now, these crystals are commonly found on a rock's fractured surface, vein, or within a bug or geode. So Michael and Chris will be cracking open a few of these geodes or thunder eggs, or maybe not. So stay tuned. So, for the most part, it is possible to find druzy any place where mineralized water can collect on rocks and evaporate, such as shorelines and riverbeds. But geographically, I think you're more likely to find druzy in Brazil, China, India, and Thailand. When the water evaporates, cooling occurs and minerals are left behind to form sugar or snow-like crystals on top of the rock. These beautifully formed, generally inexpensive crystals give druzy its cosmetic value and attracts artists of all kinds. So in a nutshell, a druzy is basically a beautiful, sparkly stone until someone takes it and makes it into something special.
Wow. Thanks, Danny. Hey, Chris. So, if we had the tools and the time, what would you make with all this druzy?
Well, I don't know. I mean, I think with Druzy as an inspiration, the possibilities are pretty much endless. Why don't we crack one of these things open and see what's inside?
You guys ready for this? Let's give it a try. Let's find a nice one. This guy here.
Oh yeah, that looks like a double whammy.
So what we got here is a ratchet soil pipe cutter. It's normally used in the plumbing trade.
Holy smokes. Yeah, that's some real druzy in there. I think a real artist might actually be able to do something with that one. You know what? Let's check in with another one of our resident experts, Rose.
She'll have just the answer, or an answer.
Rose?
What can you do with druzy? Anything, everything. You can wire wrap it and turn it into a pendant, or put it in a mount and make it into a ring. You can glue it, put a bail on it, string it, just about it. Put it on a shelf and let it just inspire your creativity. You can even make candy with it. Oh, good. Hi, I'm Rose, and I'm one of the jewelry designers here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. And seriously, druzy is like one of the most beautiful things on our planet. And it's fairly hard. It's like 6 or 7 on the Mohs scale of hardness. And it comes in all sorts of colors, so it's perfect for jewelry. And yet it's only been like in the last few years it's really become popular as a jewelry making medium. I figure that's probably because they're also just discovering some of the metaphysical properties of it. I mean, it's supposed to aid in creativity, boost your own body's immune system, help you with relaxation, and even help with depression. I find that this candy druzy works great for that. Seriously, druzy can be used any number of ways, and go to our gallery of designs at Fire Mountain Gems. You'll find all kinds of inspiration for druzys and other jewelry applications, along with a lot of instructions and videos. We even have a video for do-it-yourself druzy. So once you find your inspiration, you'll find all the tools and the findings and everything you need to make it, bring your jewelry idea to life. And you can always say, I made it myself. That's awesome.
Wow, that was pretty informative. Kind of makes me want to go out and find one of these guys, crack it open, make myself a piece of fine jewelry.
Well, maybe the idea of a great adventure for some people is just to sit at home and make some DIY faux druzy and select from our wide range of druzy components and make the piece of their dreams.
And if for some reason you're not up for that, well, we at Fire Mountain Gyms have a wide variety of ready-to-wear Druzy. Come check it out.
Well, thanks for joining us today on Rock Talk. Make sure you keep up with all things Fire Mountain across all our social networking platforms.
Until next time, keep dreaming of Druzy.